guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today I'm unboxing Just Because box. This is a monthly, all-natural handmade bath and body box from Natural Jewels, who makes handmade body products. Each box contains 4 to 5 full-size items, and they're $36.95 each. I did already make this video, and then I accidentally deleted it. So we're going to find out together what's in here. Again, I'm going to find out again. Alright, so we get a card that tells us everything in this box. This one is different though because they're giving us retail prices, and I don't remember them ever doing that before. Alright, so first we have a shower puff. I like the cream color. It kind of goes with everything. Look, there's one defector. That's what I always say about things that aren't going my way. You're the defector. Alright, so there's one of those. Those are nice. Actually, we'll probably pass that on to my kids because I don't really use them that much, but they're really nice to have. Our first item, this is my favorite item in the whole box. This is ginger lime shower gel, or body wash, I should say. It has like a really fresh smell. Oh, I'll tell you the retail prices as we go along. So this exfoliator is $3. And the ginger lime body wash, they didn't used to tell us the prices, and you could never find this stuff on their site because it was so exclusive and limited to this box. This is $12. The thing about this box is that a lot of times when it's one company and that creates a subscription, it tends to feel a little redundant. I never felt this way about this box. We always get different stuff. Diva Cat's here. I don't think we've ever received a body wash, so that is nice. And this smells amazing, ginger lime. I'll take that all day. Next we have, this is a body mist. This retails for $15. This is the blue body mist. I couldn't tell you like the notes in this. It's like I want to say a water, you know, when you talk about like, this has the water scents, like the lotus or whatever. It's very fresh and clean, and it's really nice actually. So I like that a lot. And I think they may actually go well together. By the way, can we just talk about their bottles, how pretty they are? Like reusing. Then we have finally a pina colada scented soy wax melt. This I could smell when I was holding the box to my face to take my photos. I could smell it. It smells, oh, perfect for summer. And this retails for $7. So that's everything that I received in my Just Because box. This is an awesome mix. If you're looking to try to branch out with natural, handmade bath and body products, this is probably a good one to try. I like that they send full size, so like you feel like you're actually getting a lot, because you are, but it's not like sample and then you've got to go out and find the whole, you know, the full size product. So if you like to get full size products, this is a great option as well. I will link to my full review below. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.